In this video, we are going on a journey through the realm of graphic design, color theory and typography right here on ZeusGraphix. So grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's unravel the mysteries of design alchemy. These are like the rules of the game, and once you know them, you can start playing like a pro. Balance. It's like balancing a seesaw. You want your design to feel even and stable, not like it's gonna tip over. Contrast. This is about making things stand out. Think of a black and white photo. The contrast is what makes it so eye-catching. Unity. This means all the parts of your design should feel like they belong to each other. They belong together, like a happy family. Emphasis. This is about highlighting the most important part of your design, like putting a spotlight on a star performer. Rhythm. This is about creating a sense of movement and flow in your design, like a catchy song that make you want to tap your feet. Proportion. This is about making sure everything in your design is the right size, like finding the perfect fit for your clothes. Now let us talk about color theory. Colors are the palette of our imagination, influencing emotions and perceptions. We'll explore the color wheel, dissect complementary, analogous, and color schemes too, and discover how color harmony can be the secret ingredient to captivating designs. Colors are like magic ingredient that can totally change the mood of your design. The color wheel. This is your roadmap to understanding colors. It shows how different colors relate to each other, like a family tree of colors. There are a number of color wheels, each representing a different color system. The traditional painter's color wheel is one example of the subtractive color system. Its primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Hence, it is also called the RYB color model. In today's generation, digital artists and those working with color lights use the RGB color model, which colors are red, green, and blue. And do you know a fun fact? Isaac Newton was the first to arrange colors into a wheel. The illustration appeared first in his 1704 book called Optics. Color schemes. These are like recipe for using colors together. There are complementary schemes, analogous schemes, triadic schemes, and more, each with its own spatial flavor. Color harmonies. This is about finding colors that go well together, like finding the perfect outfit for a party. Let's see some color harmonies in action. Monochromatic schemes. These use just one color, but they can still be super stylish. Think of a black and white photo or a sleek all-white outfit. Split complementary schemes. These use a color and its two neighbors on the color wheel. It's like inviting three best friends to a party. They might clash a bit, but it's gonna be fun. Shifting gears to typography. We'll unravel the art and scheme of choosing the right fonts. Serif, sans serif, script, and display font each have their own unique personality. Typography isn't just about letters, it's about storytelling and guiding the viewer through your design. Typography best practices are our guiding light. We'll explore font pairing, sizing, line spacing, and hierarchy to ensure that your text not only communicate effectively but does so with style. Stick around for tips on creating visual, engaging, and readable text composition. Integration, color, and typography. Now let's marry color and typography. Discover how the color of your text can influence the overall design and mood. We'll explore examples of successful integration, showing you how to strike the perfect balance between color, font, and layout. To truly master these principles, we'll dive into practical examples. I'll demonstrate how to apply these concepts using design software, giving you a hands-on understanding of creating well-balanced, visually appealing compositions. Now let's equip ourselves with some essential typography tools. Size matters, not that you are thinking. Choosing the right font size is crucial. Think about your audience and the purpose of your design. Tiny fonts on a billboard, not idle, but a large and playful font on children's book cover. Perfect. Spacing is key. Don't let your letters feel crowded. Adequate space between letters, words, and lines make your text easier to read and visually appealing. Imagine a spacious living room versus one crammed with furniture which one feel more inviting. The perfect one, right? That's it. Hierarchy matters. Use different font size and style to guide the reader's eye. Headlines should stand out. Body text should be clear and comfortable to read. And smaller text for captions or credit can be discreet. Think of news article. Headline grab attention, subheading guide you through the story, and smaller text provides details. Let's see how these typographic concepts come to life. A minimalist poster with a single impactful display font. The font itself becomes the star of the show, leaving a lasting impression. A children's book with a playful script font and generous spacing makes reading fun and engaging for young minds. A website with a clear hierarchy of heading and subheadings guides user through the information easily and efficiently. Remember, typography is more than just choosing fonts. It's about using them strategically to create a visual language that's both beautiful and effective. So go forth, experiment, and let your typography creativity shine. And that's wrap up our deep dive into graphic design principles, color theory in typography, and many more. I hope you find this journey as enlightening as I did. If you have any questions or want to share your design experiences, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, share it with your fellow creatives, and subscribe for more design wisdom on ZeusGraphix. Remember, your creative journey doesn't end here. Keep experimenting, keep pushing those boundaries. I will see you in the next one.